MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This is the winning forex tools that I've combined together to share with you at this time of the day. It is simple, and I've combined few indicators together that do not repaint. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use each of these indicators and how to set it up. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and do give me a thumb up for this particular video. This is all I need from you. Before you take any trade at all, each day make sure you check Forex Factory to know if there is news before you go ahead. Having said that, welcome to my channel. This is Profiting Forex Trading. Now let me show you how I use this particular strategy and how you can use it. As I said earlier, you do not need to keep on trying many strategies. Just pick anyone and practice it. Make sure you practice on your demo account and trade on regulated brokers. I have dropped some links in my video description for some of the brokers I do use. Make sure you check them out. You can register with any of the brokers, any of the forex brokers. Now to today's business. This is a simple tool, and I will show you how to use it. Here we have a confirmation here. We have this line turning to blue here, and we have this blue arrow. Then we have this white box here. There's a white box here showing us that the trend is up. This white box here, and we have this purple color here for a sell. This is a confirmation of the direction of the trend at that particular moment, but we are not going to take this particular trade until we have confirmation from the two indicators here at the indicators window. Until we have confirmation from these two indicators, and at this point we can place our trade for a buy. And here again we have this line giving us a set signal. We have the yellow arrow, then we have the other box here for confirmation, and when you check we have a confirmation at this point for a sell signal. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement before you place your trade. Now, how do we stay away from our sideways market that does not give us a definite or a correct and clear direction? These two indicators will help us out. At this particular point we have this blue giving us a buy. We have the white box here, but the arrow is not present anyway. We are not going to take that trade. And when you check this other indicator too, it is green, but the last indicator remained red. And this is how to get out of a market that can actually kill your account, that will not do well, sideways trend. And with this particular indicator you will not enter that kind of a trade. Here we have a sell signal, but before this sell signal, let me show you this particular signal also. We have a buy signal here. This was in agreement. This was in agreement for buy. This also agree for a buy, but when you look at the last indicator here, it remains red. This is to tell us the down trend is not done yet, and at this particular point we have an opportunity to continue with the trend. And this is how to use it. The first trend was generated here. We have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point, and this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, and anyone can use these forex tools. Now let me show you the indicators I use for these strategies and the setting for each of the indicator. The first indicator here is trend envelope, which is this let me show you the indicator, which is this indicator that gives us this blue box here, this white box. This is where I set it up. You can play with this value. The default value is not 34. Make sure you play with it and use any value you want. If you want the alert, you can just leave it the way it is. This is where I change the color, the blue, blue, orange, red, white, and magenta, and that's why you see the color there. So the next indicator is this arrow indicator that I've changed the value also. Here are the values. Then this is the arrow for buy is blue and for sell is gold, as we have it here. And these are the values for this particular indicator. Then the third indicator, or the first indicator on the indicator window here, is trend plus indicator, and these are the value and the colors also. Green are line for buy and red for sell. And the last indicator is also, I use line for buy and red for sell, and these are the values. You can set it up accordingly. But in the video description, I'm going to drop my template so that you will load it directly and you have the same chart the way I have it here. So this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. You can use this indicator combined together like this, or you can add to it. All depends on you. Remember that your stop loss is going to be previous high before the signal was generated for a sell, and for a buy it's going to be previous low before the signal was generated here. So this is how to use this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.